Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome to the Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 7 programming languages for data science in 2021. Data science is undoubtedly the hottest technology that many of the students are focusing on, and it is undoubtedly the area in which there are huge number of jobs, and it is also sustainable technology. So wherever there is data science. But there is a lot of confusion on picking the right programming language for data science. So there are many options out there, so where you can use, where you can experiment, and where you can learn model building in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and all those things. So in this video, I'm going to give you a clarity on the top 7 programming languages that you can try for data science in 2021. Let's start the video. So the first in the list is undoubtedly the Python. So Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Not only for data science, it is a multi-paradigm programming language, as well as it has its footprint in various technologies. It is used in web development, big data, everywhere. So it is considered as one of the top priority for all the data scientists. So just because it has a huge number of libraries and it is an open source, so it is also very readable programming language when compared to the others. So there are various libraries like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas. So it is able to handle the data in a very comfortable manner, and that is why developers love Python when preparing for data science. So yeah, it is undoubtedly the top programming language. So the second in the list is R programming language. So R is also a strong competitor to Python in terms of data science. So R is developed by statisticians. So unlike a pure computer science programming language, it is also a statistical oriented programming language. So all the operations that we do in statistics, we can do that in R programming language quite simply. As data science deals with huge amount of data, so we have a huge requirement of statistical analysis and linear algebra associated with programming. So R is also the most preferred programming language apart from Python by most of the data scientists. So you can also try and experiment with R. So number 3 in the list is JavaScript. So JavaScript is already a popular language in the area of web development, but now because of its event driven programming and also its asynchronous operations, so JavaScript is also being preferred in the area of machine learning. So more data scientists can, use it as a combination, because if they are web developers, so it also helps them to go into machine learning. So it is a like it was like a combo programming language. So there are various frameworks like TensorFlow.js and D3.js, where you can use for machine learning tasks and machine learning model building. So it is also a most preferred programming language by many of the data scientists. So you can also opt JavaScript to try and become a data scientist. And number 4 in the list is Julia. Julia is mainly designed for its low level programming purpose. It can also be used as high level programming. So all the mathematical operations, linear algebra, and some numerical computations, you can do that in Julia in a very comfortable manner. You can also do operations like time series analysis and space driven some operations. So it was also a research oriented programming language, where many of the startups that are coming nowadays are using Julia to perform machine learning model building, and it also being preferred by data scientists recently. So number 5 in the list is Scala. Scala is mainly used for data handling. So it is one of the most preferred programming language for big data developers. So people use Scala to handle huge amount of data. If the data is massive, then Scala is the obvious choice for many of the big data developers. And number 6 in the list is Java. So even though Java is a old programming language, but the functionalities that it has, the object oriented features that it possesses, so may still attracts developers to use Java for machine learning model building. So Java is still being used by most of the people to build some machine learning models and to build AI out of it. So, and the last thing that I would say, number 7 in the list is MATLAB. So MATLAB is also the older programming language, and it is the first programming language used by most of the machine learning engineers in the earlier days. So for all the mathematical computations, for all the statistics, people use MATLAB earlier. So the name itself, it suggests you to perform whatever the mathematical operations that you can take. So MATLAB is still being used by many of the people, so who find it difficult to come out of the legacy technology. But yes, MATLAB is the number 7 in the list. So these are all the top 7 programming languages that data scientists prefer in order to build machine learning models or in order to perform statistical analysis or whatever it is. So try and figure out what works for you and find the best out of the 7. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this programming language for data science, please mention your query in the comments and I will get back to you. So hope I will see you in the next video soon. Thank you for watching this video.